Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I will show you in this video most demanding collection of Pixie haircut with side bang. Many much more latest ideas of Pixie haircut in short hair with beautiful hair dye, attractive hairstyling, and stylish and beautiful eye-catching ideas of hair dye for girls and women. You see in this video, I hope you like it. First of all, I will talk about hair dye. Mostly ideas in today's my collection. Blonde hair dye, different shade of blonde, dazzling blonde, lightly blonde, and ash blonde, gold blonde, and different collection of highlights with dark base color in blonde, another shade of dye, burgundy color, black color, light brown, dark brown, funky colors, and very stylish ideas of hairstyling, fine hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling, some ideas wave and curl naturally, and some correction make curl with color, and stylish ideas of spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut, and most popular trendy 2023 ideas and trend of 23 in short hair, messy hairstyle, any much more beautiful collection of messy hairstyle in short hair you see in this video. Different ideas of haircut in Pixie, some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step, undercut, and the latest cut, notching haircut, choppy haircut, beautiful ideas of bang, bang ideas in Pixie, one-sided bang, and chin length bang, nose length bang, and overall collection very beautiful and latest in Pixie short hair for girls and women. You see in this video, I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look very stylish and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I will write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.